This is the world's largest indoor Harry Potter attraction, 320,000 square feet and 4+ hours of everything Harry Potter, from movie sets, costumes and props to food and live experiences. Sabi nila, kung Harry Potter fan ka raw, huwag mong papalampasin to pagdating mo sa Japan. Pero sulit nga ba? Samahan niyo kami as we explore the making of Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Tour Tokyo.
So, I think alam na natin sino ang bigger Harry Potter fan sa aming dalawa, no? So, eto na kami papasok sa making of Harry Potter. We booked our tickets sa Klook for almost 5.6k pesos. Ayan, you can see. Dalawa na kami dyan, guys. Now, important na andito na kayo at least 30 minutes bago ang slot nyo kasi pag na-late kayo, di na kayo makakapasok. So, plan your trip accordingly.
Our schedule is 2 p.m. pero since dumating kami an hour early, inuna muna namin yung Harry Potter store nila dito. Iba-iba makikita nyo dito guys. Mga damit, mugs, toys, mayroon pa nga silang wands. Pero ako, ito binili ko. Feeling Hogwarts students yan. After nyan, kumain muna kami bago mag-start yung tour. So ito yung food hall. Ito yung menu nila. And ayan, meron ding Frog Cafe para sa sweets, pastries, chocolates, and cakes. Sa mga may hilig sa matatamis dyan, andito lahat yan.
It's good, shepherd's pie.
Yeah, we just order one because share lang kami. It's quite, expensive. But, masarap. So pagpatak ng 2 p.m., pinapasok na kami sa tour. Ayun yung mga una niyong makikita pagpasok niyo guys.
I know! Hufflepuff! Okay. Gryffindor!
Grabe guys, una pa lang Great Hall na. Parang may isip mo na ito pala pakiramdam pag nasa set ka ng Harry Potter. Tapos ito guys, isa sa mga pinaka-inaabangan namin dito sa Harry Potter Studio, yung gumagalaw na staircase. Naalala ko nung pinapanood ko yung mga movies, manghang-mangha talaga ako pag nakikita ko tong moving staircase. Pero iba rin pag nakita mo na ito live. Look guys, yung gumagalaw yung portrait, pwedeng magpakita dito. May photo booth lang sila here. Magpapakuha kayo doon, then maya-maya lang, makikita nyo na siya sa walls.
Nilulup nila.
Moving forward, makikita nyo yung common rooms ng Gryffindor. Tapos ito naman yung Slytherin. And then ito yung Quidditch filming experience. Interactive to guys. So may magdadirect sa inyo na parang nanonood talaga kayo ng Quidditch match habang sinushoot kayo.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, action! Yeah! Action! Ready? 3, 2, 1, action! Fantastic! 3, 2, 1, action! You did it! You did it! Cut! Amazing! ピアノが最高かったです。
Tapos, ito na ang kinalabasan. Best actress. So ayan, mga Quidditch memorabilia like brooms, tsaka mga uniform nila. And then here is yung office ni Dumbledore. Pati si Fox andyan. Dito makikita nyo yung mga different costumes ng characters. I-explain din ito ng costume designer ng movies paano nila dinedesign ang mga ito. So essentially guys, parang siyang isang malaking Harry Potter museum. And one thing na we need to remind you of before going any further, walang rides dito guys. Hindi siya parang Disneyland, mas parang 4-hour field trip siya tapos puro behind the scenes stuff ng Harry Potter ang makikita nyo. Like yung mga ginagamit nila sa sets, costumes, props, and kung paano ginawa yung movie pati yung special effects. Pero mararamdaman nyo ang magic. Okay, so dito naman tayo ngayon sa Forbidden Forest. Ayan, makikita nyo agad si Hagrid, tsaka si Buckbeak. And tulad na nasa book and movies, pwede nyong itry magbow kay Buckbeak. Tapos tignan nyo kung magbabow din siya sa inyo. Andito rin yung flying car ng Weasleys, yung ginamit nila Harry and Ron papasok ng Hogwarts sa Chamber of Secrets. Then, dito papasok na tayo sa taguan ni Aragog, yung higanting spider.
I think not. My sons and daughters do not harm Hagrid on my command. But I cannot deny them fresh meat when it wanders so willingly into our midst. Goodbye, friend of Hagrid.
Now, once makalabas kayo dito sa bahay ni Hagrid, nakakalahati na kayo ng buong experience. Yes, kalahati pa lang yon, pero ang dami nyo nang nakita. If you need a break, pwede kayong bumili ng butterbeer dito. May kasama na siyang popcorn and you get to keep the mug as a souvenir. Hugasan nyo lang to guys and sa inyo na siya.
Dito kami sa Backlot Cafe. And
Butterbeer.
We got butterbeer. Alright, so ito yung butterbeer nila. Now, the good thing about this, guys, is, ang sabi sa amin, you get to keep this cup as a souvenir.
I love it. It's like caramel.
Yes, yun.
Salty.
Right?
After that, may mga outer sets pa kayong dadaanan tulad nitong Hogwarts Bridge. Kung maaalala nyo sa Prisoner of Azkaban, dito nag-usap sila Harry and Professor Lupin. Ito, isa sa mga favorites ni Jovan, yung chessboard sa Sorcerer's Stone. Very interactive, no? I like it. One of the best moments of my life, and I have it here in Harry Potter, the making of Harry Potter in Japan. Andito rin yung bahay ng Dursley's number 4 Privet Drive, and you can go inside, guys. Backyard where she flew. A few steps away, makikita nyo yung motor ni Hagrid na nakapark. And sa tapat naman is yung night bus na sumundo kay Harry sa third movie. Although, di nyo lang siya pwedeng pasukin, guys. After that, guys, mag-start na tayo sa second half of the tour. This is my favorite! It's the train! What? We are in platform 9 3/4 and we're gonna ride the Hogwarts train! Ito na! Ang Hogwarts Express, guys, parang replica ng train set nila talaga. Pagpasok nyo, ayan, makikita nyo ng iba't ibang train scenes from the movies. Malfoy. Chamber of Secrets. Goblet of Fire. This is Luna. Then, may BTS pa sila ng very last shooting day ng last movie. June 12. So talagang inaano nila. Hindi lang siya CGI. Sa part na to, makikita nyo paano nila kinoconstruct yung movie sets nila. Yung iba't ibang buildings and interiors. So, magkaka-appreciation talaga kayo ng process kung paano binubuo ang mga ito. And here, andito na tayo sa Ministry of Magic. Ayan yung offices nila. Dito naman, guys, makikita nyo paano nila dinedesign yung creatures nila. Paano yung effects ng mga yon, and magigets nyo unti-unti yung magic behind the scenes. By the way, guys, may items din dito na galing sa Fantastic Beasts movies since part na din siya ng Harry Potter universe. Oh, that's nice. So, dito guys, di lang siya pwedeng i-shoot. Pero one of the highlights of the experience is yung sasakay kayo sa broomstick against a green screen. So, yung end effect niya is parang lumilipad kayo through London or sa Hogwarts grounds ng naka-broomstick. If may budget kayo guys, you can actually save that clip on your device. Again, more technical behind the scenes this time naman, focusing sa sound and design and music ng movie. Oh, Foley.
Foley?
Yeah.
A creative I like to refer to as fiction and function.
Okay guys, dito talaga ako naiyak pagpasok. Yung set ng Diagon Alley! They built it from scratch. As in, parang nasa gitna ka ng Diagon Alley. Kulang na lang yung mga tao. Lahat ng stores andito. Andito yung kinuhaan ni Harry ng wand. Dito din binigay ni Hagrid ang kanyang owl. So, makikita nyo yung mga well-known spots like Weasley Twins. Tapos, maya na magsuswitch yung ilaw na para bang ma-experience mo during both day and night. Going further, papasok kayo sa Daily Prophet. And makikita nyo na rin ang Marauders Map. I solemnly
Swear that I am up to no good.
Wow! Wow! Hogwarts!
Look at that.
And the sounds. They did a pretty good job here.
Very good job.
Very good job.
Dito ang Quidditch?
Yeah.
What about that? So, Harry Potter Studio Tour, sulit nga ba? Well, I think kita naman na yung sagot sa ngiti ni Sel, right?
Harry Potter! Dito na kami mag-e-end. So, nag-start kami ng 2 p.m. pagpasok. Pero 1 p.m. nandito na kami. Pero ngayon, 6:30 na.
Oh, yeah.
Nandito pa rin kami.
Sulit naman. Actually,
Sulit.
hindi niya ramdam yung oras. Lalo na kung real Harry Potter fans kayo, you want to take a picture.
Experience. Kasi ano siya talaga, the making of Harry Potter. So, from props, design, sounds, lahat, Foley, lahat ng nasa film production nandito. Tapos, syempre, nag-search sila sa food and shop. Mag-e-end din kayo sa food and
Oh, yeah.
shop dito.
So that wraps up another day in Tokyo, Japan. And if you want to see kung ano pa ang pinuntahan namin dito sa Japan, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. We'll see you in the next vlog.